Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm super excited because one of my favorite boxes just came in. Today I received June's Smartass and Sass box. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so my June Smartass and Sass box just arrived. They do send me this to review, so thank you so much, Smartass and Sass, for sending me your amazing box. Now, I do also want a disclaimer. This is my Smartass and Sass box. During this video, you will be hearing me say foul language that I normally do not say in other videos. If you're not into foul language, you can go ahead and end now, no problem. But I am disclaiming now that if you do have little ones around, earmuffs, watch later, that kind of thing, because there's no telling what's going to come out of this mouth during this video. Now, I do show you their box. I absolutely love their box. Not only is it my favorite color, but it says classy, sassy, and a bit smartassy. Well-behaved women seldom make history, and my all-time favorite, drop it like it's hot. No, not really. It's fragile. So let's go ahead and get in here and see what June's theme is and what products we are going to have. I love this box. So when you open it up, here's the card right on top. And the theme for this month is IDGAF. Acronyms. I don't give a fuck. So there's the front of the card, and inside it does go over the products and the pricing and all of that. So I don't want to peek because it shows what they are. And then the presentation, this one goes over the shirt if you do get the shirt, because there's 3 different types of boxes that they do offer, plus all kinds of stuff on their shop. I have them all linked down below. You can definitely check them out, but at the end I'll go over all the pricing for you. So that's what the inside looks like when you get in it. Now, let's go ahead and get out. Let's get out the shirt first. Oop. Yes, let's get out the shirt first and see. Ooh, it's blue so far. Really pretty. That's kind of like a, that's a really pretty blue. Not quite a periwinkle blue, but that's a really pretty blue. I don't think I have anything that color. And it says, you can kindly STF you. At least that's nice. You can kindly shut the fuck up. And then you have those little hands like holding up the sun rays, like at least it's being nice and polite. You can kindly shut the fuck up. I like that. So here is this month's t-shirt, you guys. Their shirts are super, super soft. They're so comfortable. I just love the quality of their shirts as well. So here is this month's shirt, and the shirts are valued at $15.95. So let's go ahead and see what the goods are for this month. So the first thing pulling out, there's a keychain that says OMG. It says, OMG girl, your keys just got an upgrade. Clip onto your car or house keys to add some fun to your bag. And it is a silicone OMG. This is valued at $9.99. Comes with a silver keyring and a large lobster claw for convenient attachment or fun accessorizing. And again, $9.99, and that's at hangaccessories.com, and you can use code SASS15 for 15% off. So Sass15, get 15% off this company here at hangaccessories.com. So there's item number 1. So number 2 is going to be here, and it looks like this is a bracelet. I know we've received one before that I really like, but unfortunately these do not fit my wrist. This one says, oh, it says Whiskey Tango Foxtrot. What the fuck? You know, the phonetic way of putting Whiskey Tango Foxtrot to say what WTF means. But it does have a little engraving. I'm not sure if you're gonna be able to pick on it. You can't pick on it because it's a video. You can't touch it, but you might be able to pick up on it. It does say Whiskey Tango Foxtrot. That is super cute. And let me see. Hold on. This one actually might be, let me see. this one actually, I can actually get to fit. The other one, there was no way. The other one, I don't know if it was just made differently, but this one actually fits me for once. Wow, a Whiskey Tango Foxtrot. Wow, you can really fit. Wow. Wow, okay, so that is Whiskey Tango Foxtrot bangle from Metal Marvels, and you can go to metalmarvels.com and use code SAS20 for 20% off, and that is valued at $29.99. Holy moly, you guys, it is really fucking hot in here, so let's get to it. It's like 106 degrees outside right now, and I'm not kidding. It is so hot. Okay, so the next item, it says WTF Nifty Notes from Knock Knock. And these are valued at $6, and it's from knockknockstuff.com. And it has, let's see, let me remove the sticker here. So it says WTF, to and from. Were you thinking? Were they thinking? Did you say? Did you mean by that? It's going on. It's up. Just happened. Do you think would happen? Should I do? Guess what? Seriously, is it wrong of me? Is it wrong of you? You can write whatever you would like there, and says, can you help me out here and stop it, explain, intervene, try harder, call the cops, advise, save me, give me a break, and then it's an FYI, an FML, an OMG, or an LOL. So here is what the whole little pad looks like. And this has 50 sheets in here. And again, this is valued at $6. So I'm sure they have so many other little things if you wanted to check out that particular company. So there's item number 3. So let's keep on going. Here is a cactus, and it says IDGAF. And if you guys do follow me, you know I have cactuses in my office because I have Don't Be a Prick on my letterboard. So it makes sense to have cactuses because pricks, you know. So I'm actually going to put this, I have a magnetic board. I'm going to put this up there because it says IDGAF, and it's a cactus, and it's my favorite color. So this is going to go perfect in my... Oh, this is not a magnet. This is a mirror. Either way, I'm still taking this to work, and it's going to go perfect with my theme. But this is a little handheld mirror. That's actually even better because I can toss it in my drawer or let it sit on my desk. Because if I ever need to see if there's anything in my eye or in my teeth or anything like that, then I have that. But here is the outside, and then it is a mirror. Straight a mirror right there. Hello. So that is super cute. So this and this came together, and it's an FML sticker and IDGAF vegan leather mirror from Smartass Sass. Sticker, it says, sometimes you have to shout FML. These high quality stickers are outdoor durable and are coated with a matte lamination for long lasting color, valued at $3. Mirror, made of a green vegan leather, this little cactus pal will help you keep your face looking fresh while maintaining that I don't give a fuck attitude, valued at $6. So both of these combined together would be $9 value. And let's keep on going. Okay, so this looks like a little koozie, and it says contents may not be safe for work. If you have a beer or something like that in there, then maybe. But it does say it on both sides. So it says contents may not be safe for work. It's a really nice, like a shiny metallic kind of purple. And this guy here says, this metallic purple cutie is perfect for keeping your adult beverage cool and discreet. Be sure to check the bottom for a bonus message. And this is, it fits a standard 12-ounce can, and it can fit a bottle as well. And it's valued at $5. It says to be sure to check the bottom for a bonus message. The bottom, I can see it. It just says hashtag NSFW, hashtag NSFW, hashtag NSFW. They all say the same thing. So I don't know what I'm supposed to be looking at, but that's what it says right there. Hashtag NSFW. And yeah. And on here, it does show it like in a water bottle as well. So next we have, it says pineapple body butter. Ooh, your skin's new BFF. I love body butters and I love pineapple. This is valued at $15, and this is from Smartass Sass. Oh, and you can use this month, you can use Smartass Sass's code. Again, I have them linked down below that'll take you to their site, but you can use their code IDGAF for 20% off of their shop. If you wanted to buy individual items directly from their shop, they do sell the items and the shirts individually, and then you can use IDGAF for 20% off. And that same thing goes applied for the mirror and the sticker and anything else that is Smartass Sass. So let's get this open. Again, this is valued at $15 and it is completely sealed. Okay, so now that I've taken off all of the top and I have lotion pretty much all over me now. Oh, that does smell really good. That does smell good. Ooh. And I could definitely use some lotion because of the wonderful sun we have. I've been out in the sun almost every single day for like almost 2 weeks. This part of my arm doesn't even look like my arm anymore. In the mirror, it's so freaking dark because of the sun, and the inside is still my normal like Casperness white. And I'm like, when I'm like doing my hair or makeup, I'm like, who the hell's arm is that? Because it doesn't look like my arm. I see my tattoo, so I know it's attached to me. I know it's mine, but jeez, it is getting, I don't know if you guys are noticing, but this part of my arm is getting super, super dark. And then I have my normal whiteness. This good old sun. But you know, almost done with what I need to do outside, and then I can hopefully not be outside anymore. Unless I'm just doing my normal gardening maintenance, but hopefully all the bulk of it will be done. Okay, so now that I have lotion all over my hands, let's go ahead and get the last product out. And it says Hydrate AF Smartass Sass. This is going to be the Hydrated AF Mason Jar Tumbler from Smartass Sass. Keep you on your water intake this summer with this cute tumbler. This mason is made of high quality BPA free plastic, designed and printed on both sides, hand wash recommended to maintain design, 20 ounce, $18. And again, you can use IDGAF for 20% off at Smartass Sass's shop, because this is from Smartass Sass. And I like getting these because I think they're really, really cute. This time it is all clear, and in blue it says Hydrated AF right on there. So if you can see that, Hydrated AF, and it has the straw, and it's a plastic mason jar. So if you do drop it, I mean, the plastic might break, but you're not gonna have glass everywhere, which is really good, especially if you're sitting by like the pool or the water. It's good to have plastic, not glass. So there's that. So that is everything that came in this month's box, you guys. We have the plastic mason jar. We have this really big thing of body butter, which is really good right now, especially if you are in the sun and you're getting burnt like I am. Like, my whole back blistered, like blistered. And I just barely ran my hand across and they all popped and all this clear liquid came oozing out. I'm like, ooh, that's attractive. My man was like, you are so bad, you're gonna start scabbing up, blah, blah, blah. I'm like, no, I'm not. I know my skin because I've had sun poison. I burn. I have too much Irish in me. I already know the deal. I'm not going to scab. And I didn't. It ended up tanning actually nicely. I'm surprised. Normally I go back butt white again. But I actually tanned my shoulders pretty nicely. But it was pretty bad. I got burnt, and that was the first day. So anyway, we have this little cute koozie so you can keep your drink discreet and cool at the same time. We have this mirror and a sticker. We have this really neat little doohickey, doodling, whatever, notepad. We have the notepad. We have a keychain, and we have the cutest bracelet that says Whiskey Tango Foxtrot, WTF, what the fuck? That's what that means, Whiskey Tango Foxtrot. Who knew that? I know I did. And then we have the shirt for this month, which is so cute. I love it. So that is everything that came in this month's box, you guys. Comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of the theme? What did you think of the products this time? Do you get Smartass and Sass? Do you want to get Smartass and Sass? If you want to know the pricing, again, like I said in the beginning, they have 3 different subscriptions. They have a t-shirt only subscription, which is $15.95, and they use this soft blended unisex tee, which goes from extra small all the way to 3XL. Then you can get the goods only, everything in the box but the shirt. No shirt, everything else. That one is $34.95. You get 5 to 7 full-size hilarious branded products. And then you have the big box like they just sent me. This is $49.95. You get the shirt, which is valued at $15.95, plus all of the other goods, which is valued at $34.95, and shipping is in addition. We love funny shit, cuss words, and treating ourselves. Smartass and Sass is a gift and subscription service with Snark. We have monthly subscription options along with one-time theme boxes and products available directly from the website. Smartass and Sass is actually curated by 2 best friends. They've been friends for a very long time. I know when I first started this, it was like 25 years, so they're probably getting closer to 28 probably by now, if not more, I'm not sure. But it's amazing that there's 2 best friends that love all this snarky sassiness, and they curate the boxes together, which I think is amazing. So Kim and Abby, you doing an amazing job. I absolutely love your box. Keep doing it. You don't got to change a thing. So again, that is everything that I have for you guys. Your positive interaction, it means the world. So definitely comment down below. Let me know what you thought about it. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.